Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. It's Friday. We're out in Jones County on a roof replacement for one of our oldest clients. Done a complete interior remodel for her several years ago. It's time to get the roof changed, get rid of these old tired 3-tabs. Guys got here at 6:30 this morning trying to beat the heat. We've been dealing with 100-degree days. Got everything tarped off really nice. Making good progress on the tear off. Should be a real easy go for us. We're going to be doing our CertainTeed Integrity Roof System, Roof Runner Synthetics, Black Drip Edge, CertainTeed Landmarks in Moray Black, CertainTeed Ply Base around the chimneys. We've started using that as opposed to the typical paper-faced generic leak barriers. We're just really happy with Ply Base's performance. Also got our dump truck back from the good folks at Amazing Auto Body and Paint. They did a fabulous job getting all the scratches and rust out of it. Put some nice charcoal paint on it. Big improvement, class things up a little bit. Beacon had our materials out early this morning. Another big help. Got a little low slope area in the back that we're going to be doing some CertainTeed Flint Lastic on and get rid of the old tired torch down. If we can help you out with your roofing projects, please give us a call. Got the crews, equipment, and experience to make it easy for you. Any other type of exterior projects, from grading and land clearing to shutters, windows, doors, gutters, siding, we can handle it for you. Get it right the first time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.